Solve each equation using the quadratic formula. So recall that the quadratic formula is equal to, so x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the first step is to make sure that our equation is written in standard form. So standard form is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now we can identify our a, our b, and our c. So a in this case is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 4. So now we're going to start replacing a, b, and c in our quadratic equation with 2, 3, and 4. So x is equal to negative 3 plus minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4 all over 2 times 2. So x is equal to negative 3 plus minus the square root of 9 minus 8 times 4 is 32 all over 4. So x is equal to negative 3 plus minus 9 minus 32 is equal to negative 23 all over 4. Now recall that when we have a negative sign inside the radicand, we have to use the formula that states if you have the square root of negative b, that's equal to I square root of b. So to deal with this negative sign inside the radicand, you basically just put an I on the outside of the square root symbol. So this becomes x is equal to negative 3 plus minus I square root of 23 all over 4. Now remember that you're going to try to see if you can simplify 23. If we do the prime factorization for 23, we just get 1 times 23, so we can't simplify it. But our answer cannot be written in this form. When we're dealing with complex numbers or numbers that have this I, this imaginary number, we have to write them in the form of a plus bi. So we need the real part first and then the imaginary part. So basically what we need to do with this problem is to split it up. So we have negative 3 over 4, because if it's all over 4, but we're splitting it up, and then plus I square root of 23 over 4, and then negative 3 over 4 minus, for this minus here, so the plus is this plus, and then this minus is this minus here, I square root of 23 over 4. So here we have the real part of our answer and then the imaginary part. So our answer ends up being this.